Because it's real. Because this is like real. This is how we do it. So welcome to my channel. You've already been here. You know who I am. I'm Ezra Paco. But we have a special guest, and it's not Vlad. He's a special ed guest.
Shut up!
No, he's not. We don't get
Look,
we don't
he's
get
right here.
we don't get government funding.
He's right here.
But
his name's Aaron. He's my best friend.
Our friend
BFF right here.
And he has a channel that at the end of this video there will be a link to one of his channels.
Not my
But what we're here for, we're going right into it.
I don't put
Boosterbricks once a month comes out with a mystery box.
mystery poop.
So we're gonna dive right into this because he's just gonna keep being silly. Well, anyway, okay. So once a month, Boosterbricks will tell you how to order one of their boxes, and we're gonna dive right into it. So we're doing this video with them. So the first thing you get is a sticker. God, I like stickers.
This sticker right here is Boosterbricks. 1, 2, 3. Should have 1, 2, 3, 4. And
okay.
What's going on with their eyes, though? Look at that. Look at that. Look at them eyes.
Demise. Look at Demise.
You see the camera shallow. Put that over there.
Don't just throw it. Gosh. Okay. Anyway.
I'll read this since I'm my best reader. Okay. Boosterbricks mystery box. Boosterbricks. Boosterbricks. Awesome. You got one of our famous Lego mystery boxes. The pieces included are total mystery. There can be anything from Lego base plates to bikes to train track, greenery pieces, new sets, minifigs, accessories, unique parts, and pieces, rare gems, light up bricks, etc. You never know what you're gonna get, but one thing is for sure: these pieces are guaranteed to be more rare and unique. Chances are you haven't seen many of these pieces. Want a chance to win another mystery box? Okay, you read this one.
You never know what you're gonna get. Yeah, how can we win another box? We're on the bottom.
You never know what you're gonna get. We're at Vlad. Right here. Just put from simply to .com. Okay. Or to the
Simply upload an unboxing video to YouTube with hashtag Boosterbricks in the title, and we will pick a lucky winner to receive a bonus free box on us. Good luck. Be sure to watch out for next mystery box Monday on the first Monday of each month.
So watch your mouths in this video now because they're not going to pick us if we're vulgar because they probably want everybody to be all squeaky clean, and that's not us. But we need to be because we want a chance because we deserve it. So there's 3 bags, 3 of us. Here,
Okay,
you
so
do one,
Aaron,
you do one, you do one, I'll do one. So, all right.
okay. I already feel baseball.
All right.
Yeah, I feel baseball.
You dump yours in there, and
Me?
you dump yours on there.
My dad will dump his.
And I will just set mine right here. So here we go. We're gonna dive right in. Ooh, I gotta.
Okay.
So I'm gonna set it up here. Let's see.
Oh my gosh, are you kidding me?
I am kidding. I'm not kidding you. I don't want that.
Dude, what is this made out of? Is this made of some type of freaking...
It's made out of Kevlar. Here, let me give us more light. See, we need to win. See, Boosterbricks, this is why we need to win, because our videos are... We need production value. And we can't get production value if you don't...
My scissors now!
Careful.
Okay.
Alright. Oh, so Aaron's got his open already. Go ahead and put them on the tray. What'd you get? Awesome. Those are good base plates. Good
Not
base
really.
plates.
Thick one.
Cool. So those are good base plates. Base plates are always good.
Is that all you got? You got base plates?
Yeah, but they're good base
Okay, you
plates.
ready?
How many times did I have to say base plate? Base plate. Base
my
plate. Base
gosh.
plate. So
Look at that. I got some of this. I got...
swag.
This is like... Ooh, it's a helicopter thing. Look at this thing spin right here.
We got a
Bam.
piece
Look at that.
from
This is for like... What is this for, Dad?
Ooh, it is Lego. That's from like an airplane or something.
Yeah.
But look at this rare like little bridge piece, and so there are some pretty rare pieces in here. I remember these. It's like a castle wall. I remember having a castle Ooh, a little teeter-totter.
There's another piece.
Or
you
like
can
a
just
something.
load it to
So these are pretty nifty pieces. They are pretty rare. Some of them, a white door. Ooh, it's smooth. You don't get a lot of smooth white doors. So, while he kind of keeps showing you some of what we got there,
we have this right here.
this one.
We have this connected right here. Ooh, this is for like a car.
Ooh, a red car piece.
The red car piece. Then there's the door, which. So, the. Not even a door? Look at that. That is
It's
just
a
even
window. Ooh, so.
No, this is a door. Look at that.
It is a window, but it's a door. Like, see how that, like, front is? You don't, a lot of ours, we have the black kind of see-through one. That one is closed. And so it's pretty cool for that. So while he's still digging through that, I'm going to go ahead and dive right into this. You know?
I'm not digging.
Oh, you did most of the digging. So they mentioned minifigures. I'm hoping one of these. Oh, cool! It's one of those. Back to Vlad's real quick.
Look at this right here. You can.
Crane wire pieces. One of those came with one of the Joker Funhouse we have. It's the hook. It's off the hook, yo. It's off the hook. So we have here an airplane front. So we got an airplane bottom and an airplane top. Yeah. We got this. We have one of these. This is from one of the Star Wars. This is a TIE Fighter front there. You got the grill door. Hey, but grill doors are cool because you gotta have
Pink. Because they're pink. Pink, my homie.
So this is pretty cool.
Oh, seriously, is there steps that look like the steps at my other house? At this house.
Oh,
yeah. yeah, because you see like the see-through, except for they're different color. They are brown at the bottom and like.
Oh, and here's a trapdoor. Go put on a trap. That's a cool trapdoor. So they did stake claim to their rare pieces. You never know what you're gonna get. I'd like to win a Boosterbricks box, but my videos are honest, and I'm not gonna lie. So they guarantee $50 a pieces, and it looks like maybe, but there weren't any minifigure pieces. It's all rare pieces. There's no minifigures at all, and that's kind of bummer sauce. I'm not gonna lie. Like, my goal is to give you guys a realistic review, and I don't just sugarcoat everything. If something kind of is like bummer sauce, I would have liked to have got a minifigure out of this. Like. So, the rare pieces are cool. It is cool. What do you guys think?
I think the coolest piece is the one from mine right here. Because like you can just reel it out as far as you want.
What do you think, Aaron? Like, what's your opinion?
Dad, what are you pointing at? You're just pointing like.
I'm pointing at Aaron. I'm asking his opinion.
Kind of like that trapdoor.
Yeah, the trapdoor is cool.
So the rare pieces that we do have are really cool. Such as this pole piece. Usually you have to stack bricks, but you get to make the whole thing. It's all one there.
Look at that.
Oh, there's our bonus right there. Inside the base
right there.
plate
Bam.
Is a little
Bam.
So, I'm glad I got to partake in this video, and I'm glad we got to get one of these. I can't say it enough. I kind of wish you got. That's like one track piece there. If you don't have other track pieces, you're not going to be able to do anything with it. Boosterbricks is legit. Like, they do give you some pretty rare pieces. Even if you follow them, I do recommend this. For Boosterbricks, every Wednesday they have a really good deal. Where 8 in the morning or so, they'll throw out a deal where they say, hey, we're doing this today. Like, they had chunks of bricks earlier this week. And then last week it was like some minifigure deals, and then they have a mystery minifigure Monday that's kind of cool. So they got good things going on. But maybe that's why they didn't put a minifigure in here. But there are really good pieces to build around, and I can't say that enough. So this piece I'll share with you guys. This is a missile launcher. It doesn't come with the missile, but that is a missile launcher. So you do get the missiles with like Star Wars sets or some of the Batman sets. I'm pretty stoked with it. Like, what depending on what we end up building, we might be like, oh, we built this. Oh, so there's more track pieces here. So we'll end up doing something kind of cool with them. But is it? Well, we're gonna dig that piece out after I put the camera down. But I just wanted to share this video with you. You are doing good, Boosterbricks. Don't let this affect your desires to. I do really good, honest, legit reviews, and don't let that affect your decision to possibly give us one or not. Like, I don't want to be all because these are awesome, good, rare pieces. I've said it enough, but I also think there should have been a minifigure. Besides that, I'm pretty happy with it. I think I'd get another one. I may just gamble the next time you guys do this and decide to splurge on more than one box. If they had an offer, if you bought 3, it was like $60 for 3 of them, or if you bought like 5, it was like 100 or something. So they had a good deal but I wasn't gonna drop that. I seen some people online commenting that, especially with school starting, not everybody had the coin to drop, but I had a decent Uber shift. But anyway, check one out yourself. You might get lucky. It's a good form of gambling, and it's a good addiction because you at least get something out of it. They're cool pieces. So anyway, so if you like random stuff too besides what I'm doing, check out Aaron's channel. I'll post a link to it. I don't remember what is it. Tell them what the channel is.
It's
exactly.
Rootbeer Monster space 21212.
21.
Yeah.
Alright, so there'll be a link to this video in the description. You know what? I'll hook Vlad up. I'll post a link to his channel too. He hasn't been posting, but we need to encourage him to post. You know what? Go subscribe to his channel. Give him ideas. Tell Vlad what you would do to get him to... Because, I mean, he's adorable. Look at this thing. So anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. Check out Boosterbricks. They do have good things going on there. They're one of the better subscription boxes out there. It's like high quality. We have a swap meet around here, and they have pretty good deals at the swap meet. But some of these bricks are they're definitely cleaned up, and so you can get some really sweet bricks that without getting these bricks you wouldn't be able. The base plates are great. I want to throw that in too. So I'm done blabbering. Thank you again for tuning in. Boosterbricks, check them out. Follow them.
They're lit, dude. This is freaking prison bars.
They're lit.
This is what you see when you're in prison, but you don't want to go to prison.
Is it? Yeah, all the
I've never been to prison.
Well, keep it up, and you might be able to go. So.
I don't not get in trouble.
You don't not? Hey,
there's
been people who've been to jail for crazy reasons. It doesn't have to be like. Anyway. So yeah. See, I keep finding more and more pieces. So you know what? Order one and dig through it, and then let me know what you think. Send me a link to your video you do. We'll start a whole honest review of these, and we'll keep it going. Boosterbricks, check them out. Follow them on Facebook. They do giveaways every Friday. Mondays they're minifigure Monday. Wednesdays they're he got it out. Oh yeah. Oh, see.
Because your fingers are like the smallest. That's
I got it with this.
Life is worth living because we got that little angled piece. So until next time, keep it easy, my Pacos. Deuces and trays. Check out Boosterbricks. Check out Aaron's channel. Check out Vlad's channel. Links in the descriptions.
In the description. Okay. Put one at my hand. Bam.
I'll put one on your hand, and then I'll put one where his head is.
Bam. Bam and bam. Okay. Okay. Up top is yours, and then Aaron's, mine, and then the previous video.
They'll be somewhere. So thank you guys again. Till next time. Signing off again. Deuces and trays. Keep it easy, my Pacos.
And wait, what should I say?
I don't know.
Bye.
That was good. All right.